sat on a hillside, talked about the sun, talked about the problems, and if they don't work out. We talked about how people never learn. We sat on a hillside and watched Atlanta burn. I feel so different since we started on this march to strike a final blow into the rebel heart. But there are people with family, with their faces and ideas. We sat on a hillside and watched Atlanta burn. Talk about the problems and if they'd all work out. We talked about how people will never learn. We sat on a hillside and talked about the sun. It's so hard to watch all smoke go up in flame. Right or wrong, it'll never be the same. The people, the family, the dreams and ideas. We sat on a hillside and talked about the sun, talked about the problem if they'd all work out. We talked about how people could never learn. We sat on a hillside and watched Atlanta burn. Hey, even though that song was written over 100 years ago, two guys sitting in a field fighting the Civil War, fighting the rebels. We still see it today in different countries, eh? People fighting the Civil War. We just can't seem to learn the simple lesson to love and get along. Even though we have differences, we can find a way to talk it out. But we don't have that problem here tonight, that's why we're all here together, enjoying having fun. There's a nice little piece by Mr. Jim Reeves. I know it's winter's coming, I'm just gonna get you in the mood. There's a blizzard coming on. I'm wishing I was home for the pony's lane. He can hardly stand. It's heading to the northern side. If we don't get home, we'll die. It's only 7 miles, Marianne. It's only 7 miles to Marianne. You can bet we're on our mind There's hot biscuits in the pan. Oh, my hands feel like they're froze, and there's a numbness deep within my toes. It's only 5 more miles, Marianne. Still 5 more miles to Marianne. There's Howard, so it seems, mighty like a woman's scream. And I've been moving faster if we can. And just think about that barn where the hay is so soft and warm. It's only 3 more miles, Marianne. It's only 3 more miles, Marianne. Dan, get up, you ornery cuss. You're gonna end up being the death of us. I'm getting kind of weary, but I'll try to help you if I can. Alright, Dan, maybe it's best if we just stop a little while, take a rest. For it's only 100 yards, Marianne. It's only 100 yards, Marianne. Late that night, the storm was gone, and they found him coming down. He could have made it, but he didn't want to leave his friend, old Dan. So they found him there, out on the plains, his hands frozen tight, hanging on to the reins. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. He was just 100 yards from Marianne. And that is a cowboy's devotion to his horse. He's the most important friend in the world.
Dominic!